to the channel. Listen, I'm a licensed real estate agent in Pennsylvania. I work mainly in Philadelphia and some of the surrounding counties. But this is what nobody tells you about being a real estate agent. When you first get into this game, you be excited. You be excited to work with buyers and sellers and listing, and you do all this running around. But what nobody tells you is that this is a serious grind. This is a serious hustle. This is something that you really got to dedicate time to and go through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of conversations, consultations, education, talking to clients, talking to potential clients, customers, people coming to you for all kind of information. But nobody respects your time. Nobody respects the fact that you got to learn all of this stuff and teach them along the way. You got to educate them along the way. The buying process, the selling process, what it takes to buy, what it takes to sell, how long it may take. Some sellers think that you can work a fucking miracle as a real estate agent. Those that's out there as real estate agents know what I'm talking about. How sellers, and I work with a lot of investors. That's like my core group. I work with buyers and sellers, but I work with a lot of investors. I like working with investors because they spend money and they know what they want. But a lot of times, people don't respect your time, especially buyers. For instance, today, I'm waiting for a buyer. We had an 11:30 appointment. It's now 12:15. Where the fuck are you? Why haven't you shown up? I call your phone. You don't answer your phone. Now, if I cancel the showing and leave, you're going to be like, I was on my way. Well, where are you? Where are you? Because now I've been waiting for you for the last 45 minutes. And then you missed the first appointment. I rescheduled it based on the fact that you're ready to buy. You want to buy something for your mother. You want to put something in place. I'm here to help you. But at the same time, respect my time. Respect what I'm doing. Respect the grind. Respect the hustle. People don't respect the hustle in this game. They just look at it as, all right, you're a real estate agent, so you're not really working hard. When they don't realize after this appointment, I got to go make more phone calls. I got to answer emails. I got to reach out to more people. So when you waste my time, then it becomes, I'm sorry, that's it. And then here's the part that I don't like about buyers, is that you can work with a buyer and they can walk right away. Walk away. Run you around for weeks. Run you around for weeks and never come back until they feel like they want to buy, which is rightfully so, especially in this market where the rates were so high. They run around, and then boom, be like, I'm waiting till next year. Well, you just ran me around for 2 months, 3 months. I remember I was working with a buyer a while ago. This individual wanted to buy a house. She was very indecisive. I then had to actually let her go as a client, and I expressed that she didn't understand the time it takes for me to create these lists, to set up showings, to run around to different houses day to day, and we were meeting up maybe like every other day or maybe twice a week or something like that. And it's like, no, respect my time. Nobody tells you as a real estate agent the time, the security. Oh, that's another thing as a real estate agent, is the security. Nobody talks to you about that. Everybody just see a Bentley, a Lamborghini, a nice car, a nice house that the agent may own or live in. But nobody talks to you about the security of the agent, the safety of the agent, going in different houses, especially houses that's fixer-uppers where squatters can be. I've done rented houses where people have whole setups in there and nobody lives there, but the squatter that stays there is not there at that moment, and it's a whole setup, a house, a chair, a ashtray, a table where they're eating at. Nobody talks to you about safety. For instance, there was a agent, I can't remember what state she was in, but she got called to go and show a house to an individual. During that particular showing, two individuals showed up, kidnapped her, and actually deleted this woman. Why? Who knows? Maybe it was a personal thing, but come to find out, it was a setup all of that time. Nobody talks about the safety of the agents. Nobody talks about any of this stuff. So I'm going to end this video here because now my client is calling me and he's going to make it seem like I'm sorry. But no, you should have came at the time that I'm telling you to come because you agreed to these times. I scheduled the showing. I'm here waiting. You're wasting my time. I'm going to give him a call now, and I'll get back to y'all. I'll follow up with y'all later. Let me know what y'all think. And if y'all real estate agents in here, if y'all investors in here, y'all know what I'm talking about when you working with somebody and they're fucking procrastinating and playing around. Let me know what y'all think. Comment. Leave a comment. Let me know. I'll see y'all later. Peace.